Hi, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, hi, is Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drum rolls. Yes, so welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you simple styles on how you can style a bandana onto your hair for school. Yes, or any other event. Okay, it doesn't have to be basically just school and all, but these are amazing hacks that you can apply. So let's get into it, and as we do that, please just make sure that you do like the video. Please just like the video. Then you can also talk to me via the comment section. You can also talk to me via my socials, which are in the description. You can comment down below and make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorial. Remember, we have done so many tutorials and I'll be placing a link in the description for more, so you can watch that after this. Okay, it's a series, so yeah. So what do you need for this particular style? The things that you need is a bandana, maybe a flat surface, an iron box. All those are not really important, but what you need is a bandana and maybe something to hold your hair. You can choose your hair to be up or not. It all depends with how you want it. So I'll first show you how you can hold your how you can style the bandana with your hair up, and then maybe the other style we can do it with our hair down or just the same. Just make sure that you do watch the video to the very end so that you do not miss out on either styles. Okay, grab onto your bandana like this, making sure that if you hold it like this, the inner part faces the front part where you're facing, and if you're placing it on a flat surface like this, make sure that the inner side is facing towards the top. So the next step is the folding of the bandana. Rotate the bandana like this to form something like a star, and then from this tip, let it touch the lower tip to form something like a triangle. Remember, if you're doing it from the flat surface like this, it's not this way. That tip is the one that comes to this, the opposite. Okay, is it opposite or they're like three proportional to whatever, all those things? We are the ones in school, you can tell me. Anyways, you'll have something like this that is a triangle, and then the next step you do is placing it onto your head. You can choose to have your hair held up like this if you do not want it to be seen, or you can choose to drop your hair as you do this particular style. So place the bandana like this on top of your head. Well, basically I'll have to adjust the size to have it a little bit longer, so my first fold will be a little bit short. So place the bandana like that. Okay, it's all around the head like that, and then pull this tip to that point, and then now make your knots. Don't mind about the band on my hair. Okay, just focus on the style. So you'll tell me, with the hair held up or without the hair being held up, which manner looks better, which way you prefer, which one you prefer. Na 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 na, ta da 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 da. For that far, please just like the video. So you may choose to just let it be up to that point, but you can always tuck in this piece. You can always tuck in the piece. Remember, for you, it's not a band being seen here, it is hair. Okay, it is your hair that will be seen right there. So you can choose to stay like that. Step is if you want to hide all your hairs like that, but if you do not want your hair to be seen right here, maybe do the edges and all, you can always pull it towards the front and all and tuck in. You can always do that. Okay, let me show you the other manner. So just undo it. So just undo it like that. Now it's time to actually release your hair. It actually held my hair like this for another tutorial. You should actually just click on the link in the description for those other tutorials. It might excite you, you know. Oh, my hair is now all entangled. Making Chicana. It's getting tangled. I've said entangled. It's getting tangled easily. But anyways, whoops. So comb your hair if you have hair like me. You comb it towards the back, maybe it's your braids. You can just choose to do that. Okay, talala hapa if I keep on combing this way. So the next thing is tying the bandana, folding the bandana, sorry. Rotate it again and then do the same step that you made. Now we want to see if this towel, the way this towel looks when we have dropped our hair. Maybe it can be braids, drops, rastas. Now place it right there. And then actually I prefer it when the hair is dropped. I have to readjust the size of the bandana. That way, so that's much bigger. And then the smaller side is the one you're placing on the hair, on the head directly, like that. I'm trying to push all my hairs at the back, but to avoid stress and all, you can always hold the hair at the back and then place the bandana afterwards. So remember, we pull this tail inside. Wow, I'm loving it this way. It's much easier. I think my band previously was preventing it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness. So let me tie it well. Oopsie. So this one you can choose to let it be or do the way we did. You tuck it in, you pick it like this and then tuck it in. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Look at that. It looks amazing, right? I just love the outcome. Remember, I've done so many tutorials, so upon you to choose the one that best fits. So you can choose to hold your hair at the back or not. It's all about you making the choices and me giving you all the bonus tips and all. So guys, please just like the video, share it out there, tell someone about this channel, check out the description for more videos. Just subscribe for free. Just give me that subscription or give me the thumbs up. Okay, just give me something. But I love it. I love it. Ooh. I wish I was going somewhere today. But it's already, I would have gone like this. tell me what you think about it, with the hair up or with the hair down. Which one do you prefer? Talk to me in the comment section or via my socials, which are in the description. And to watch more of my videos, just click right here. Yep, just click right here and let's meet there. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching this. See you on the next video. Okay, let's meet up on the next video.